This case study is designed to determine the impacts of some commonly selected countryside stewardship options on agricultural pollutant losses, nitrate, phosphorus and sediment, and greenhouse gases, and to place the impacts of those losses in the wider context by looking at the contribution from the other non-agricultural sectors. The outputs of the case study allow policymakers to assess where the impacts of countryside stewardship options will be either beneficial locally or will achieve impacts that are meaningful given the pollutant pressures from other sectors. This case study was applied to the whole of England, with the model taking account of the different agricultural systems such as cereal farming and dairy farming, and the different environmental conditions such as soil type and rainfall, to give a more accurate prediction for local and the national total. The key advantage of the models used in this case study is that they are multiple pollutants, so rather than focusing on just phosphorus or just nitrate, you get the more holistic impact of the whole scheme by focusing on nitrate, phosphorus, sediment, the greenhouse gases and ammonia. The benefits of the multiple pollutant approach is that it ensures that there are common assumptions about farm management and model parameters applied across all of the different models. The model used in the case study allows us to determine the overall impact of countryside stewardship options on the agricultural load, and then we combine that with data on the loads from other sectors such as bank erosion and sewage treatment works to determine the overall net impact of the scheme on the total load. Looking at phosphorus, only 30% of the total load comes from agriculture, whereas over 50% comes from sewage treatment works, so we really need to account for that when we're determining the impact of the scheme on the overall pollutant load. The national reduction in phosphorus load was predicted to be 10%, whereas there is significant spatial variation with much greater reductions in the south, west, the south and Welsh borders in East Anglia. The differences in the effectiveness are due to the relevance of countryside stewardship to different farming systems and the different environmental conditions in different parts of the country.